Hey there, everybody, and good evening. It's Carrie coming to you from the Hacienda. I'm going to flip this around. I don't know why it isn't already. There I am. So I was getting ready to leave work this evening, and our insurance agent, Jeremy Longshore from TrustPoint Insurance, showed up out of the blue with a Christmas gift, and I wanted to share it with you and then just tell you how awesome TrustPoint Insurance is. I cannot express to you how much they have played a role in our growth over the last 4 to 5 years. They've seen us grow from having a van and a chainsaw to now having a full fleet of trucks. You're probably going to hear some of the dogs barking. To our full fleet of trucks. They just added our dry kiln for us yesterday. They go above and beyond for us, helping us get our commercial general liability insurance, our inland marine, our workers' comp. They've helped us personally with our own homeowners insurance and auto insurance, commercial auto insurance. They're top-notch stand-up people. They're an incredible company. And I wanted to share what's in this box with you because it's even more awesome. So I guess this is kind of an unboxing. I'm going to flip this around. Pardon my kitchen. We've been under construction for a while now. So as a busy business owner, you have time to demolish things and not get them put back up. I have tile in the back of my car. Anyway, what TrustPoint Insurance does, the owner of their company actually owns a farm, and every October, the employees and some of their clients are invited to come out and help make apple butter and apple cider. And the owner of the company also, their boss there also, Little Farm of Copper Ridge in Castlewood, Virginia. He also has hives, so their employees help jar the honey. So this is what he brought us this evening, along with other items. There's peanuts, spicy cheese, and shortbread, more peanuts, all from Tazewell. I'm not from Virginia. I don't know if it's Tazewell or Tazewell. Sorry. County Mercantile. So this was a really super awesome and exciting thing to receive, and we're excited to try all these goodies. Again, if you all need anything as with your business, general liability, they always find us the best rates. Jeremy Longshore, our agent, could not be better to work with. I highly recommend them. I can get you contact information if you'd like. I'll flip this back around so you can see my kitchen under construction. Matt Desper, you're watching. I might need some help. Anyway, that's all. I just wanted to share that with you all because I know a lot of other business owners and perhaps some of you are needing some help in the insurance arena. So that is all. Wish you all a happy evening and we will see you later. Bye.